Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another day of science. So today, we are going to explore not one, not two, but the three changes of matter. So yesterday we learned about gases. To the day before yesterday, we learned about the liquids. But today we're going to learn about the liquids, the gases, and the solids. So we haven't talked about solids just yet. So we're going to talk about all three today. That a daily objective for today is students will be able to explore the different changes in matter. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and after you finish the video, you will have a exit ticket. So you're going to click out of this video, watch another video, and then you have an exit ticket. All right, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.